Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theory. If you want to study the notes and MCQs related to this term, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our online and offline classes for UGC NET for English literature very soon. So stay connected with us. In this video, we will talk about the term great chain of being. Introduction. The concept of great chain of being has its roots in the ideas of ancient Greek philosophers such as Plato, Aristotle, and Plotinus. It was later developed into a comprehensive worldview by German philosopher Gottfried Leibniz in the early 18th century and adopted by Enlightenment thinkers. This video examines the key components of the great chain of being, its philosophical implications, and its relation to the doctrine of philosophical optimism. Key components. The great chain of being is based on the notion that God, or the first cause, is characterized by limitless creativity, leading to an abundant variety of living beings in the universe. For this fundamental premise, three main consequences are deduced. Plentitude. The universe is replete with every conceivable kind and variety of life. No species of being remains unrealized, and the cosmos is filled with a profusion of existence. Continuity. Each species differs imperceptibly from the next, creating a seamless progression from one form of life to another. The transition between species is smooth and they merge harmoniously. Gradation. Existing species exhibit a hierarchical order, forming a great chain or ladder of being. This hierarchy ranges from the lowest condition of mere existence to the pinnacle represented by God Himself. Human beings, positioned between animal kinds and purely spiritual beings like angels, occupy a middle status in this chain. Relation to philosophical optimism. The concept of great chain of being also underpins the doctrine of philosophical optimism, which argues that this world is the best of all possible worlds in a logical sense. Philosophers like Leibniz believed that the abundance and diversity of creation demonstrate God's perfection. While some aspects of existence may appear as evils or deficiencies from a limited human perspective, they are necessary consequences of the divine nature and its pursuit of an extensive range of beings. Literary examples. Voltaire satirically summarized this viewpoint, highlighting the seeming paradox of this optimistic worldview. Alexander Pope succinctly encapsulated the essence of the great chain of being in his heroic couplet in Epistle 1 of his Essay on Man. He emphasized the hierarchical scale of life, ranging from the ethereal to the earthly, showcasing the vastness of creation from God to the most imperceptible forms. Theodicy and Paradise Lost. The concept of the great chain of being is one form of a theodicy which aims to reconcile the existence of evil with the belief in perfectly good God. Milton's Paradise Lost is an example of a traditional Christian theodicy explaining evil as a consequence of Adam and Eve's disobedience in Eden. Conclusion. Overall, the great chain of being was a significant philosophical concept that influenced the way thinkers perceived the natural order and the relationship between God, humanity, and the universe. So this was the discussion on the term the great chain of being. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comments section. We will meet in the next video with some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you.